So today I am going to share you the data visualization techniques or the library that you can use to visualize your data. So we are doing it on Titanic dataset. So first of all, let's import the Seaborn, the legendary library you can say to to load the datasets and visualize the data. And visualize let's load our dataset Titanic in data variable. So sns dot load dataset and Titanic. Let's run it. And we can also view our data here. It will take some time to load, and so yeah, this is our data set. And first of all, let's create a scatter plot between age and fair, which are numerical variables you can say. So just simply sns dot uh, write the scatter plot and provide the x-axis. We are taking age on x-axis and fair on y-axis, and also provide data. So this is your scatter plot between two features, fair and age. You can also track the trends and take some key insights from this graph. And now let's draw a line plot. You just have to replace scatter plot with the line plot. So here x is equals to age again, and y is equals to fair. So we have to put this in also string format and also provide data. So this will be your line plot. It will take some time. Yeah, this is your line plot between fair and age. So now let's draw the bar plot in which data will be visualized in the form of plot. Let's give them full data. Let's see if this can. Yeah, these are the variables that you can track the range of survived. It will be 0 is surviving, that there is 0 means they did not survive, and 1 means they survived. And so it's same for the p class. This is showing three types of classes: first, second, and third. This is showing the range of age from 0 to 30, and cisp, parched, and fair. You can say the range of fair and adult male, 0 or 1, or alone, 0 or 1, which is showing true and false for this, because these are the binary features containing two types of values, only 0 and 1. So these were the three simple graphs that you can plot easily using scatter plot, just by calling the name of the graph and providing some coordinates or directly the data, just I did here to the bar plot. So that's all for today, and make sure to follow me and upvote me on the Kaggle and help me reach the data science Kaggle grandmaster title. Thank you.